In this video, I'll show you how to change the language in Duolingo back to English. If you've accidentally switched your app into another language and can't figure out how to change it back, don't worry, it's actually pretty simple. First, open the Duolingo app like you normally would. Once you're in, tap on the Home tab located in the bottom left corner of the screen. Next, look at the top left corner and you'll see a small flag icon. Tap on that icon to open your current course settings. From here, you should see a plus button on the right-hand side. Go ahead and tap on it. At this point, everything might still be displayed in the language you don't understand, but that's okay. Scroll down through the list until you find the top option with a drop-down arrow next to it. This option controls the base language, the language the app is displayed in. Tap the drop-down and select English. After that, you can choose any language you want to learn. For example, Chinese, and then confirm by pressing the green button, followed by the blue confirmation button. Once you've done that, your app interface will switch back to English. You'll still be able to continue learning your selected language, but now everything will be much easier to navigate.